With the right recipe and 10 easy steps, you will learn how to make air buns. Even a beginner can pull off their very own golden and delicious homemade air buns right now. Air buns are small, light, and fluffy in texture. It can be served as a whole or cut into small portions that are mostly round in shape. What makes it so easy to create is the fact that it only requires a few of the essential ingredients in baking. What you will need to make homemade air buns recipe. Ingredients: 1½ cups of warm milk, 3/4 cups of warm water, 1/2 cups of vegetable oil, 1/2 cup of white sugar, 3 1/4 teaspoons active dry yeast, 1 egg, 6 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 1/4 teaspoons salt. How to make air buns step-by-step instructions. Step 1. In a small bowl, mix warm milk, warm water, vegetable oil, and sugar, then sprinkle the yeast evenly. Stir to combine, and let it sit for 5 minutes until it blooms. Step 2. In another large bowl, combine flour and salt. Incorporate it evenly, then make a well. Next, beat 1 egg and add it to the bloomed yeast mixture. Pour the yeast mixture into the dry ingredients. Use a spatula to mix it until it comes together to form a dough. Step 3. Pour out the dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for 5 to 10 minutes, or until it becomes smooth. Add more flour as much as needed. To know if the dough is ready, use the windowpane test to ensure that the gluten strands are well developed. Step 4. Lightly grease a large bowl with oil and put the dough, cover with plastic wrap, and let it rest for 1 hour, or until it doubled in size. Step 5. Punch down the dough, place it on a floured surface. Knead it until the dough is smooth. Cut the dough into 16 portions. Form a letter C with your hand and let the dough rotate until it forms a ball. Step 6. Line the baking sheet with parchment paper, place the dough balls, cover it with plastic wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes. Step 7. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't forget to egg wash the dough. Step 8. Bake it for 15 to 20 minutes or until the rolls have lightly browned and doubled in size. Tips and tricks. Use all-purpose flour to make your dough for more consistent results. For the most controlled rise, use active dry yeast. You can also use other kinds of yeast, just make sure that the water is not too hot or not too cold. For accurate sizes of buns, use a digital kitchen scale. No matter how eager you are, do not rush the final proofing. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.